I'm Marek Mularczyk, an Adobe certified expert and instructor, and welcome to this course in video editing using Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you'll be happy joining me on this course, and we're going to learn ins and outs of video editing, how to become more proficient, more efficient using Adobe Premiere Pro, and hope you enjoyed it on this course. And let's get started. If you want to get in touch, have a look on Adobe communities. I'm often there helping other people like yourselves. So you can find me on Adobe communities. I'm there, and if you have any comments, any questions, just let me know. Post the comments on the course and I'll be happy to reply. If you want me to cover anything specific on the course as well, just let me know. I'll be happy to cover anything additional. There's always, I'll keep adding more content all the time as well, so we can add anything you want in there. So join me on this course and let's start video editing with video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro Fundamentals with me, Marek Mularczyk. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started.